At AWS, we see that cloud computing has become the new normal. Customers are embracing AWS because it increases their ability to innovate, their agility and ability to develop and deploy new applications and solutions, reduce long lead times, and the time between the inception of a project and the production of an application. The AWS cloud provides rapid access to flexible and low-cost IT resources, and with cloud computing, no longer need to make large upfront investments in hardware or spend expensive time and resources on managing their IT environment. Cloud computing replaces upfront capital infrastructure with low variable cost, scalability, security, and faster time to market. And for software, subscription is the new model. When customers are ready to make the transition to the cloud, they often start with a portfolio of business workloads, applications expressed in software that they need to migrate or rewrite. The charter of AWS Marketplace is to help you as our customer find and be able to deploy the best third-party software as fast as you can deploy our EC2 and S3 resources. We do that by building a global managed digital catalog of third-party software to give you the customer best possible choice with over 4,000 listings from 1,200 software companies. We've developed a classification of that software into 35 different categories, and networking is one of the top software categories that we see high demand from our customers. As workloads migrate to the cloud, existing networks have to change. Networks are under incredible transformation and change today. More compute resources than ever before are in the cloud, and data may still be in both places, both on-premise and in the AWS cloud. Hybrid is a transition that we're seeing. So there's more ingress and egress across the network between locations. Security is critically important, and encryption is becoming pervasive for all applications in all industries. Add in trends like Internet of Things, big data, and machine learning, and now you get growing data volumes, you get device population explosion, and with data, you now see exabytes and petabytes as common. So network transfer rates need to increase, computing instance fleets are changing in shape, and software-defined networking is how companies adapt to this massive growth. But it needs to be manageable and affordable. We'll provide our customers the ability to simplify the integration and management of their resources across the private cloud data center and the AWS cloud. And in turn, it will reduce the complexity of moving to a cloud model. By listing an AWS Marketplace, it can be procured and provisioned using an existing AWS customer account. And Arista joins a fast-growing population of providers whose products can be provisioned in minutes, and those offers will be visible to the 135,000 active customers that we see in AWS Marketplace. The software can be deployed in the standard regions that we run around the world, in Europe, in North America, South America, and Asia. The Arista product then becomes tagged and trackable in our AWS billing system and the spend management platforms from both AWS and our third-party partners. And it gives the customer improved visibility to what is running where and how much is being spent. On an ongoing basis, we'll work with Arista engineering to optimize packaging and pricing models to appeal to the patterns of adoption that we see AWS customers using globally. So we think this is a great beginning of a relationship beneficial to Arista and AWS customers. We're confident there's going to be continued collaboration on both engineering and go-to-market.